Hey, guess what? I just finished putting together this mind-blowing guide on artificial intelligence and machine learning using Python. I think you'll be amazed at how accessible and fun these tech concepts can be once you get the hang of it, especially for a fresh face in IT. Let me walk you through it. Alright, so first things first, let's set the stage. Imagine back in the day when we relied solely on our brains, no computers to make decisions, no machines predicting our next move. Now flash forward, and boom, we've got AI and ML powering self-driving cars, recognizing patterns in medical images, even creating art. It's like something straight out of a blockbuster movie, except this is real life. Now, let's say you're a rookie coder, kinda intrigued by AI and ML but wondering just how deep you should go. Python is like this fantastic Swiss Army knife for the tech world. It's friendly, versatile, and for AI, it's practically a first choice. It's also user-friendly, which means even I can guide beginners through the process of creating something that could one day make a significant impact. We are talking about understanding algorithms, data structures, neural networks, and the beauty of Python libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. These tools are game changers, but understanding them means breaking down complex concepts into digestible pieces. Imagine feeding Python some data, like a bunch of tweets or images of cats. We'd look at it like feeding a bunch of puzzle pieces. Using Python, we start by cleaning and preparing these pieces, but instead of putting them together ourselves, we teach a machine to learn how to assemble the right image of a kitty without us doing any of the grunt work. I've seen folks get intimidated by the idea of these huge tech giants being the only ones capable of doing ML stuff. I want to tell you that, with Python and some practice, you can also get creative with predictive models and become the next big thing in AI, and all from the comfort of your laptop. To get started, we'll set up a Python environment because we always need the right tools in our kit before going into battle, so to speak. And we dive into libraries like NumPy, which is essential for any math-heavy task our artificial adversaries throw our way. I'll show you how to set up data, train our model, and evaluate its prowess in recognition tasks. You'll start playing with decision trees and end by constructing deep neural networks capable of feats like identifying cancer cells among a myriad of cell types from images. But the journey doesn't stop there. We'll explore ethics in AI, discuss the implications of biased algorithms, and understand the need for explainability in predictive models. These are the modern IT freshers' essentials. They need to know not only how to build but also the societal and ethical implications of their creations. For real-world applications, I've worked with business intelligence, automating back-office systems, and even ventured into robotics, where Python's role was as vital as the wires connecting motors. Understanding Python libraries and frameworks like Django or Flask can open up these fantastic worlds and turn our ideas into reality. And then there's the evergreen quest for knowledge, AI research and development. I share experiences from attending tech talks, conferences, and engaging in hackathons. These experiences aren't just stories, they are glimpses into the world of constant learning and innovation. We wrap things up by setting up a GitHub repository, encouraging collaboration, and sharing code across communities. Contributions from novices and experts alike can create a synergy that drives the industry forward. And hey, sharing knowledge is as important as coding it. So, I've been through this wild whirlwind of exploring AI and ML with Python, and I'm confident it would make an excellent resource for any IT freshers with a thirst to learn. The fact that I've had hands-on experience in these fields adds authenticity to this guide, helping to demystify these tech aspects. With the world moving at the speed of information, keeping abreast of latest trends and technologies is crucial. Diving deeper, I've looked into natural language processing and how it's being used in real-world applications like customer service bots and creating more engaging content. The final nugget I want to leave on is to foster communities. I've been fortunate to be a part of vibrant tech communities where ideas and support flow freely. Being active in these circles can significantly boost your learning curve and help find collaborators or mentors who share the same journey. To end this chat, let's not forget the power of online learning platforms that offer courses on AI and ML from industry veterans to complete beginners. Whether it's through free resources on websites like Coursera or Udemy or hands-on exercises in forums, the support for learners is always there. And before we wrap up, make sure you are following all the right places: blogs, newsletters, social media accounts from top AI influencers, and of course, the ever-so-popular podcasts that bring the tech world's buzz right to your ears as you code. Learning never stops, and I firmly believe that diving into AI and ML could be the most exhilarating journey in IT. Alright, that's how far AI and machine learning can take us when paired with Python. It's genuinely inspiring, and I hope my experiences have made you eager to begin your own journey. Now, go get started and code away. Visit neeraj.zzz.io and subscribe to TechLab to stay informed about AI, ML, and Python. Trust me, it's a game changer.